Hello, my name's Mike and this is another video from midatravel. Today I am going to be showing you five things that we think you should not go on a cruise without taking, or at least considering. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. It helps us out a great deal. It doesn't cost you anything. We are racing towards 10,000 subscribers and we can't wait to get there, because as a celebration we'll be bringing out new logos and banners, and we want to get them on display. So also consider hitting the like button if you enjoy it and find this video useful, and also the bell for notifications of our forthcoming videos, which will bring lots of further cruise information. But let's get started with this video with the first item. The first item is this. It is a giant peg. I got 2 packs off Amazon, 8 in total, for £4.99. When we went on our first cruise, we saw these everywhere on top of people's towels on the sun loungers. We hadn't got any, and we realised how windy it can get on the upper decks of a cruise ship, particularly around the pool deck or the top sun deck. Now these will hold your towels in place, and that towel will not go anywhere. You will not lose your towel. So definitely don't cost a lot of money, but you will find these invaluable. Also, the ships tend to leave you a towel in your cabins for use as a beach towel, but be aware, if you lose those, you will have to pay a charge. So definitely get yourself these. Secondly, the microfibre towel. We love this towel. It wraps up really small. If I show you in comparison, you can't see a lot behind my hand. It's a good size, full body length. I'm a big chap and it wraps around me. It dries really nicely. It's like a chamois for people. It dries really quickly. Just hold it in the sun for a few minutes and it'll be dry again. Easy to put in your beach bag, and definitely isn't going to weigh down your luggage and that crucial capacity that you're allowed. I got this one from Decathlon and it cost me about £9.99, but you will find these now available everywhere. Next, we've got the Extension Lead. This is a nice small one. The important thing with extension leads is, if you're going on a cruise, it has to be non-surge protected. Yes, sounds weird, but that is the case. Cruise ships cannot, they're not safe with surge protected on cruise ships. This one has got a good length lead, 2 plugs. It's also got 2 USBs and a USB-C. So everything I need, and really small. Again, I got this off Amazon. If I can, I will put the links in the description to all of the items we're showing on here today. Next up is, on the cruise ships, you will nearly always be given a cruise card. This cruise card you will need with you at all times, because you will need it to get in and out your cabin. You will need it for any purchases you make on the ship, and probably the most common use will be getting and ordering drinks, when you will have to show and produce your card. This one is great because it's got the retractable lead, so that it means you don't have to take it off your neck when the waiter comes. Waiter, can I have a drink? And you just show your card, nice and easy. Now, I'm not a massive fan of wearing a lanyard. My partner Dave and also our friends that go love these and really raved about them. How I like to do it is on the fourth item, which is my phone. My phone is a Vena and it's available on Amazon, and at the back there is a secret compartment. And this is magnetized, so it won't come open. I have had this for nearly 3 years and I've never had a problem with this coming open or losing anything out of it. Inside I put my cruise card, and there is also room for your credit cards as well, so they are pretty safe. The cruise card comes out easily and I just show mine that way and then slide it back in, no problem at all. Now I have a bonus item for you, which is this. On the news recently, it has been stated many times that it is becoming a problem with people having their mobile phones snatched out of their hands by people on motorbikes, on scooters, on pedal bikes, and they are losing the phone in an instant because they're too busy on it to realise what's happening around them. Now, I got this some time ago for a different reason, which I will show you in a minute, but I'm glad I've got it now because it certainly keeps it safe from anybody trying to snatch it. So put it on my wrist, tighten it, that's not going anywhere. It is quite strong. And if somebody tries to snatch that, the likelihood is it's going to knock them off balance, or they're going to grab it and it's going to come out their hands straight away. So this is good, not only for a cruise, but for anywhere. Now, what's that reason I got it for? It was for taking pictures, particularly if you're looking over the boat, over a bridge where there's water or a big drop. If you drop the phone, it isn't going anywhere. So it's also useful for that use as well. I had a pack of about 4 from Amazon, and they weren't expensive, so definitely worth considering these for security and for not losing the phone when you're taking photographs. So there we are. Those are the items that I'm featuring today. Hope you found them useful. I will be bringing more videos, and if you know of anything that you think every person going cruising should take on a cruise, then please put them in the comments below, and hopefully they'll feature on our future videos. So thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the bell notification and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on another video from midatravel. Take care everyone, and happy cruising.